A very good morning, student. Today we are going to revise the lesson Geography. Give reason. First question: the Himalayas are called Young-fold Mountain. Once again, I read the question. The Himalayas are called Young-fold Mountain. What is the answer? They were formed by Earth movement, which is affected the relief of the Earth in the last phase of its geological history. Because of the young age, which is evident from the striking contrasts in relief. So, Himalayan ranges are called Young-fold Mountain. The second question, North Indian rivers are perennial. What is that? North Indian rivers are perennial. Answer, North Indian rivers have their origin from the snow-covered Himalayas. As these rivers have water throughout the year, they are referred to as perennial river. They are referred to as perennial river. Third question, Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in mineral resources. What is the answer? Chota Nagpur Plateau is the storehouse of the mineral resources such as mica, bauxite, copper, limestone, iron ore and coal. What are all the mica, bauxite, copper, limestone, iron ore and coal? Understood? And the fourth question, the Great Indian Desert is called Mesozoic. What is the name? Mesozoic. In Sanskrit, Mesozoic means dead land. What is the name? Dead land. It is the region of the actual desert which is severe arid climate and very low vegetation. It is a very low vegetation. This religion has different types of sands. What is that? This religion has different types of sands. Fifth one, the eastern states are called Seven Sisters. What is the name? The eastern states are called Seven Sisters. Answer, Mizoram and Manipur. What is the place? Mizoram and Manipur are connected to the rest of India through the Basker village in Assam. And it is due to interdifference they were given the sobriquet. It is well known fact that the states of, what is the states and all? Arunachala Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura were named as Seven Sisters. These all places they are called the name of Seven Sisters. What is the year they given the name? 1972. And sixth question, the river Godavari is often referred as Virda Ganga. What is the name? Virda Ganga. What is the answer? Virda means old. Virda means old. It originates and flows through the peninsular plateau. Where it is coming? Peninsular plateau, the oldest among the physiographic division of India. Like river, what is the river like this? Godavari Ganga is the longest with an area of 3.30 lakh kilometers square among the peninsular rivers. Hence, the river is often referred as Virda Ganga. What is the name called? Virda Ganga. Next, fourth Roman letter, distinguish between the following. First question, Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Himalaya rivers and peninsula. First point, originate from the Himalayas. That one originate from western coasts. Second point, long and wide peninsula perennial in nature. Long and wide perennial in nature. This one short and arrow. Third point, perennial in nature. What is the name? Perennial in nature. That one non-perennial in nature. Fourth one, unsuitable for hydropower generation. Already you know the hydropower. Unsuitable for hydropower generation. This one suitable for hydropower generation. And fifth one, middle and lower courses are navigable. What is the name? Middle and lower courses are navigable. Not useful for the navigation. Not useful for the navigation. This all question I think understood you all. So revise properly. Thank you, student.